This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste information from a Google Sheet, linking it inside of a Google Doc. Here I have a spreadsheet, and let's suppose I want to copy and paste this to the bottom of this Google Doc, but I want to link the spreadsheet as an object as opposed to just copying and pasting the information. The benefit of doing this is that you will be able to update information in the spreadsheet and then have it update the Google Doc. So that means you could have tables with formulas and things inside of it that you can't necessarily do inside of a Google Doc. And linking your spreadsheet to that Google Doc will allow you to apply those formulas and updates to the table in Google Docs. So what you want to do is you want to copy all of the information that you want to put in the Google Doc. So copy your table in Google Sheets, and then click on over to Google Docs and paste that by right-clicking and then selecting paste, or using the keyboard shortcut, or selecting edit and paste from the menu at the top. When you select paste, you'll get the option to link to the spreadsheet or to paste unlinked. So when you paste the spreadsheet unlinked, that means that the data is now independent of the spreadsheet. But if you paste it linked, that means the data is still linked to that spreadsheet, and the editors of the spreadsheet will be able to update that spreadsheet, and you will be able to see the result in that document. So I'm going to select link to spreadsheet and then select paste. So now that table in the spreadsheet is linked over. But let's see how this works by updating some information. I'm going to change King to Washington. Then I'm going to go over here to my spreadsheet. Notice that there is a refresh button that appears, and you can click on that to update the spreadsheet. So I'm going to select update, and now you see that Robert's last name has been changed from King to Washington. So this video shows you how to connect a spreadsheet or a table within a spreadsheet into a Google Doc so that you can share updates between the two documents. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.